Now, for this particular question, we are told that we have a circuit that consists of a battery, 3 resistors and 2 ammeters, and we are asked what is the resistances of resistors X and resistor Y. So we got a 4 ampere current that is traveling down this particular path here, okay, and we are told that 2 amperes flow down this path, but we know that since this is a parallel sort of configuration, we know that 2 amperes come down here as well. So we have 2 amperes on top, 2 amperes below. Now, we also know that because we have this particular battery, which is the only battery that is across these two parallel paths, okay, so this must mean that the potential difference across X must be 12, and 12 volts across this entire path is also shared between these 3 ohms and this Y resistor. Okay, so from here we can find out what is the resistance of X. The resistance of X is just going to be his PD, which is 12, divided by the current, which is 2, and this gives us 6 ohms. So immediately we can rule out A and B. Okay, and finally we have, for this particular path, the lower path, right, we know that this guy's potential difference is going to be 2 times 3, which is 6 volts, and this must mean that this other resistor also gets 6 volts, because we take 12 minus 6 to give us 6 volts, and we can take 6 volts divided by 2 amperes to give us 3 ohms once again. Okay, so therefore our answer is going to be 6 ohms and 3 ohms, which is C. Now another way we can think of this is we have 12 volts which are shared between these two, alright, and because the voltages are the same, 6 and 6, immediately we have this, which is 3 ohms. Okay, their resistances must be the same, therefore it's 3 ohms.